Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write a video script with ChatGPT. So first you have to sign up on ChatGPT and create an account. Here you can go to the text box and then you can start on creating a prompt for your video or how to write a video script with ChatGPT. You start with this prompt. You can copy this one if you want. First, you have to look for successful videos topics. Okay. So once you found that specific video that you think is kind of successful or trending these days, for example, tech reviews, you can look for specific niche for tech reviews. Here are the samples, and you can choose one if you want. So, for example, I want to focus on YouTube channel. So you can ask ChatGPT, can you make 10 titles or possible titles for how to create or how to make a YouTube channel. So 10 list or 10 sample titles for how to create a YouTube channel. After that, all you have to do is to press enter. Then ChatGPT will give you at least 10 list of possible titles for how to create a YouTube channel. All you have to do is to select one. So for example, you choose this one. You can also ask ChatGPT to make this title more clickable. So you can write it right here. And then once done, all you have to do is tap on enter. And then ChatGPT will give you a list of clickable titles. And then all you have to do is to select one, copy, paste, and then ask ChatGPT to create a plan or script or short video for this channel. ChatGPT will give you the sample instruction on how to create one. All you have to do is to follow this instruction. And basically, that's how to write a video script with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.